In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix incoming busy problem on your iPhone. So first thing, of course, make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. Next thing, what you want to do is make sure that your notifications are in general turned on because you want that. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to find phone and then make sure that silence unknown callers is turned off, and that's pretty much it. And also make sure that you have a signal that's visible on the top right on the left side from the Wi-Fi bar, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a comment, it helped me, and thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.